If you're searching for the best inventory management software, you know the category is more crowded than ever. Some tools are built for a single warehouse, others are asset-only or inventory-only systems that force workarounds. And many are great for management, but too complicated for the people actually doing the updates. In this video, we'll break down what the best inventory management software gets right, and we'll spotlight today's sponsor, Sortly, as an example of what great looks like. Let's dive in. What matters in inventory management software in 2026? The best inventory management platforms are easy to use and give management data they can trust. When evaluating options, here are several criteria that matter most. Everyday usability for frontline and field teams. Control depends on adoption. If the people closest to the inventory, frontline workers, field crews, technicians, can't update the system in the flow of work, managers can't trust the data. The best platforms offer mobile-first workflows with QR and barcode scanning, offline access, automatic sync, and more. Mixed physical item control. Most operations don't manage just one type of item. Tools, equipment, supplies, materials, consumables, and assets often coexist in the same operation. Platforms built for a single item class, asset-only, inventory-only, or tool-only systems create gaps and workarounds. The best inventory management platforms handle mixed physical item environments without requiring separate systems for different item types. Visual control. Recognizing and confirming the right items by sight, not just by SKU, serial number, or asset ID, is one of the most underrated capabilities in inventory management. Photo-rich item records reduce ambiguity, speed up adoption, and help non-technical or field users keep the system accurate. Job-level item tracking. Job-level tracking is what connects inventory to the work it supports. Jobs, work orders, projects, tickets, production runs, or internal requests. Teams that can tie physical items to specific work have a clearer picture of what went where and what came back, which is the foundation for better purchasing, better planning, and less waste. Manager trust, reporting, permissions, and activity history. The best inventory management platforms give leaders visibility without adding workflow complexity for the teams doing the work. That means customizable permissions, reporting that surfaces low stock and missing items early, activity history that shows what changed and when, and alerts that help managers act before problems grow. Enterprise readiness. As organizations scale, inventory platforms need to grow with them. SSO, API access, webhooks, and integrations with tools like QuickBooks Online, Slack, and Microsoft Teams determine whether a platform fits into your broader operational infrastructure. Spotlight on Sortly. Easy visual tracking, mobile usability, and mixed item control in one platform. Sortly brings visual tracking, flexible workflows, and management visibility together in one easy-to-use platform. It's designed for organizations where inventory and assets move across people, locations, vehicles, job sites, stockrooms, clinics, warehouses, and more. Here are several areas where Sortly consistently stands out. Field-ready mobile workflows. Sortly's mobile app supports QR and barcode scanning through scan actions, letting teams scan to find, update, count, pick, add, and move items from the field, stockroom, job site, clinic, warehouse, or office. Offline access and automatic sync keep inventory current even without a live connection. The result is a system that frontline and field teams can use without training and are far more likely to keep updated. Flexible workflows. Jobs, pick lists, stock counts, and POs. Sortly's job workflow gives teams one structured place to manage the physical items tied to their work, whether that work is a job, project, work order, ticket, production run, event, or internal request. Teams can bring together the right people and items, update quantities as work happens, return unused inventory, and see what was used, returned, or left behind when the work was completed. Pick lists help teams prepare and pull the right items before work starts. Stock counts keep quantities accurate across locations. Purchase orders structure replenishment, and an Amazon Business US integration lets teams reorder directly through a familiar purchasing flow. Visual by design, built for mixed physical items. Sortly is built around photo-rich item records that let teams recognize and confirm items by sight. Each item supports up to 8 photos, along with details, notes, tags, variations, condition tracking, and custom fields. Critically, Sortly handles mixed physical item environments, tools, equipment, supplies, materials, consumables, and assets in a single platform, separating it from asset-only, inventory-only, or tool-only systems that force teams into workarounds. Manager trust and enterprise readiness. Sortly gives managers customizable user access, custom roles and permissions, limited access seats, activity history, and audit trails, without requiring a heavy implementation. Alerts and reports surface low stock, missing items, and upcoming needs before they become disruptions. For larger organizations, enterprise capabilities include SSO, API access, webhooks, and integrations with QuickBooks Online, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. In summary, inventory. Sortly is a strong fit if your operation includes a mix of inventory, assets, tools, equipment, supplies, and materials. Frontline, field, or non-technical users are responsible for keeping inventory current. You need job-level item tracking to connect physical items to real work. You want management visibility, reporting, and accountability without complexity. You need a platform that's configurable without a long implementation or heavy onboarding. To see how Sortly stacks up against other inventory management platforms and whether it's the right fit for your operation, check out the links in the description. And to see the platform in action, request a demo with Sortly through the link below. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.